Hello, hello, hello. I hope everyone is doing well, staying safe, and that includes social distancing and wearing your mask, whatever you need to do to stay safe during this pandemic. If you're going through some challenges in your life, I pray that God will grant you peace, comfort, and strength as you go through. Thank you to my subscribers for hanging in there with me. I really appreciate your support. In addition to subscribing to my channel, I ask that you like the video and share the video. If you like me, someone else may like me too. I just wanted to let you know that in the next couple of videos, I will be featuring different people. So it won't just be me, Miss Jean. It all depends who comes across my path or who I pull in. They will always have natural hair. Now the video that you are about to see is a quick look at a style that I did on one of my co-workers' hair. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my followers and my subscribers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He continues to bless me daily. Have a great day.